Another good technique, pillow choke, hit it a lot from like side control. The one that you'll see in probably before this would be kind of a bad one because this is kind of when I just learned the move and I was like, we'll try it out. And was really just like locked it in. And I was like, I don't really know what to do. So I just started turning his head to the side as hard as I could and just trying to like break his neck. He got the tap, and so win's a win. But there's better ways to do it that are more efficient. So on my side here, fighting. So what I'd want to do, maybe I'm looking for like twister, right? I'm here, coming this way, looking to like pass over the mount. Instead, what I can do is I'm going to take my elbow, catch this top side arm, feed it all the way around his head. Here, going deep across, locking a good gable grip here. And so if you see in the video, I'm really just on the top of his head and I'm just turning it to the side here, right? And just straight goon moves, but to get a much better finish. This is going to be like a chest compression too. You can just hold somebody in this very easily and just drain stamina, like the stamina bar dropping. You know what I mean? So just locking this in. I'm going to place my chest over that tricep right here. Keep my gable grip tight to him and just sink. And I'm just going to be hanging out there. You can hold that all day.
Hit that subscribe button if you want to see that again.